Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Talk Easy American English. Today, we will learn how to talk about your daily life in English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I want to talk about my daily life in simple English.
Great! Today, we will learn how to talk about your morning, how to talk about your day, how to talk about your evening, how to talk about your routine, how to use simple, clear sentences, and we will practice together step by step.
That sounds good. I want to learn easy sentences because sometimes I don't know what to say about my day.
Don't worry. Today will be very simple, very slow, and very clear. Let's start. Jack, let's start with the morning. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Good. These are simple daily actions. Let's repeat them slowly. Say it with me. I wake up.
I wake up.
Now you try, listener. Say, I wake up. Good. Next, I brush my teeth. Say it slowly.
I brush my teeth.
Good. Listener, your turn. Say, I brush my teeth. Here are more simple morning sentences. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I go to work. I go to school. I start my day.
These are very easy. I can use them every day.
Yes, these are the most common daily life sentences. Let's practice them one by one. Say, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Say, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Say, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
And now, a small question and answer practice. Jack, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
And listener, what time do you wake up? Say it out loud. Good job! Now let's talk about your day. Jack, what do you do during the day?
During the day, I work. I use my computer. I talk to people. I eat lunch. I take breaks.
Perfect! These sentences are simple and clear. Let's repeat them slowly for our learners. Say it with me. I work.
I work.
Now, I use my computer.
I use my computer.
Next, I talk to people.
I talk to people.
Great, Jack. Listener, your turn. Say, I talk to people. Good job. Here are more daily life sentences you can use. I study English. I read emails. I make phone calls. I have a meeting. I go outside. I walk a little. I eat lunch.
These sentences are really useful for beginners.
Yes, and very easy to remember. Let's practice with a small conversation. Jack, what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work. I eat lunch. I take a short walk.
Good. Listener, repeat after me. In the afternoon, I work. Good. Now say, I eat lunch. Nice. Now let's talk about the evening. Jack, what do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I spend time with my family.
Very nice. Let's repeat these slowly. Say, I relax.
I relax.
Say, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Say, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Say, I spend time with my family.
I spend time with my family.
Good. You can also say, I read a book. I play games. I go for a walk. I check my phone. I rest. I go to bed.
These sentences help me talk about my whole day.
Yes, and they help you build confidence. Let's practice one more conversation. Jack, what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
And listener, what time do you eat dinner? Say it out loud. Good. Now let's learn how to talk about your daily routine. A routine means something you do every day.
Yes, like I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Exactly. Let's learn a simple routine paragraph. Listen first. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work. I work all day. In the evening, I relax. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
That is very clear and simple. A beginner can say this easily.
Yes. Now let's repeat the routine step by step. Say, every day, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Say, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Next, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Say, I go to work.
I go to work.
Great! Now the evening part. Say, in the evening, I relax.
I relax.
Say, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Say, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Say, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect. Now, let's practice a full conversation about daily life. Jack, tell me about your morning.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Good. Now, tell me about your afternoon.
In the afternoon, I work on my computer. I eat lunch. I take small breaks.
Nice. Now tell me about your evening.
In the evening, I relax, I eat dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Very good. Listener, now you try. Tell your whole day out loud. Don't worry about mistakes.
Great job.
Okay, let's review what we learned today. We learned how to talk about your morning, your day, your evening, your daily routine, simple daily life sentences, and we practiced together.
Yes, now I can talk about my day in simple English.
And you, listener, you can do it too. Just practice a little every day. Say your daily routine out loud. Use simple sentences. Use slow sentences. You will improve.
Yes, practice every day.
Thank you for listening to Talk Easy American English. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this podcast. See you next time.
Bye. See you.